Hey folks, watch how I unmold this soap that I did at my recent soap demonstration at the Bear Library. This soap was scented with peach prosecco and colored with ocean blue from Workshop Heritage and orange yellow from Workshop Heritage. Now, if you want some soap recipes, I have my ebooks available. One is A Simple Soap, A Beginner's Guide to Safe, Nourishing, Cold Process Soap Making, as well as the Let's Talk Live book. And this book is for those who are intimidated but want to try to make soap, but just don't necessarily know how to work safely with lye. These books are available now at basicallysoap.com and soon will be available on Amazon. As well as you can subscribe on Basically Soap to be a VIP member and receive exclusive discounts on the Soap of the Month. And if you don't know what the Soap of the Month is, a VIP member knows what the Soap of the Month is. And I was actually thinking about starting a soap. I was I actually started thinking about creating a soap university where I have a series of classes that show you how to make different types of cold processed soap using different additives and different lye solutions. And when I say lye solutions, I mean using goat milk instead of distilled water, using cucumber, using carrot, banana, and more.